Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you just a few of the great Bachelorette items we have available in our Etsy shop. Everything you see here is super easy to print and create. All of these items are guaranteed to make your Bachelorette Party experience one to be remembered. This is just a small sample of the games, favors, and other items that will take your Bachelorette Party to the next level. After this video, be sure to click the link below to see all of our items available in our Etsy shop. The first two items I want to show you are both digital. One is a Bachelorette invite, and the second item is the Bachelorette weekend itinerary. These are both super easy to edit, and then you can text this to all the lucky ladies that are invited on your Bachelorette weekend celebration. The itinerary ensures that everyone ends up where they're supposed to be, and these are conveniently located on their phone. Next up, we have these great Bachelorette Bubbly mini champagne labels. You can easily edit these in Adobe Reader to include the bride-to-be's name, then print onto the Avery label template. All you have to do is peel and stick. These make a great addition to a gift bag for all the ladies, or they look great when you have a bunch of grab-and-go mini champagne bottles in the hotel room. But before you pop the bubbly and get the party started, you'll want to have everyone pose with this fun before and after photo prop. Make sure all the ladies take their sweet and innocent before photos. Then as the party is coming to an end, don't forget to flip this over and have all the girls take their after photos. Everyone will love looking through their photos the next morning, hopefully without too bad of a hangover. These print great on white matte cardstock, then simply print double-sided and hand out at the Bachelorette. If you're looking for a fun party favor to give to all the ladies, these Kiss the Miss Goodbye EOS Lip Balm cards are perfect. Again, these print great on white matte cardstock, and you can use a 1.5 inch circle punch. You can create as many of these as you need. I will include a link for some great EOS flavors in the comments section below. Here's a quick pro tip when creating these. Flip your circle punch upside down so that you can easily line up the circle. Now, if you really want to get the party started, these drink gift cards are sure to set the tone for the night's activities. You can easily print these on white matte cardstock, then simply trim the 24 cards out. I also have an editable file included so that you can create cards of your own. When you're ready to play, simply gather all the ladies around and start calling out the cards. If it applies to them, they drink. Please remember to drink responsibly. If you're looking for a fun activity to complete while you're out and about, these Bachelorette photo scavenger hunt games are perfect. To create this, simply print and cut in half. You can play these individually or break up into teams. and the person or team with the most points wins. Your bachelorette party should be just as unique as you are. This is a time for you to create lasting memories with the ladies who are closest to you. We've created these items to help you celebrate life's big moments, like your bachelorette. We really hope this video helps to make your celebration special. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we would love it if you shared this with your friends. Also, let us know if we can bring any of your ideas to life. Thank you for watching.